Hey guys, this is a quick look unboxing review at the new M18 fuel grinder. This model number here is 2780-20, and this is just a quick unboxing look and review. Let's take a look. Is that it? Yep. So this is the new brushless motor version, the fuel version. It's about $100 Canadian more than the non-fuel brushless version. To install the guard, you put it on like this, push it down, and then it goes around this way. And then you have this little hole thing underneath here, and then it'll lock in the 1 of 5 positions. So here. Right? As an example, you can be grinding something at the side like this, holding it, and then this will protect from sparks and whatnot. Obviously, depending on the work that you do, you got to wear different eyeglasses and whatnot. But yeah, pretty impressed. Looks awesome, feels not that heavy. It's got this nice protector here, so you can't accidentally turn it on. It's different than any of the other protectors that I've used from Milwaukee, so getting used to this over and over again is going to be kind of weird, but I do like the added protection. And let's just go ahead and, so yeah, you can put the handle at both sides. So let's go ahead and just put the battery in and just hear it. Feels pretty awesome and brushless. I'm not a tradesperson myself, just a avid Milwaukee fan and also DIY at home. And I always take out the battery when whenever I'm changing the blade or whatnot. I know it has a safety, but yeah, it just gives me peace of mind, lets me sleep. So I have a rigid diamond cut blade for cutting tiles. And I'm going to try this time instead of a wet saw. I heard that you can be just as efficient with this if you take your time and try to do the best straight lines you can. But this thing only tightens down so far, and you don't want to willy-nilly it, so they give you this tool. And then basically with the tool you can crank it and tighten it, because you don't want this thing flying off. Check this out. So first cut was this bottom one, a little weird there but then I figured it out on the end. And then the next one I cut the side because it's gonna go in this corner. And this doesn't matter because you're gonna do grout, and you're also at the bottom there, you're gonna use like a white caulking. Hope you guys enjoyed this review and hope you have a great day. Peace out.